Now, if you're a student, in this video, I'm going to show you all of the streaming services that you can get for absolutely free for just being a student. And don't worry, I'm going to start with the best one right now. Let's get into it. All right, now the best offer that you would get as a student is the first link in the description, and that is to sign up for Amazon Prime. You can get up to 6 months for absolutely free. So you don't have to pay a single dollar, and then you'll get all of the benefits of Amazon Prime. It is a fantastic offer. Definitely take advantage of that. All right, now the next deal is that you can get 50% off for HBO Max. So instead of paying that full price, HBO Max gives you 50% off for being a student. The next one is going to be Paramount Plus. It is a very, very similar structure. They give you 50% off of Paramount Plus if you are a student. Now the next one is going to be Peacock. They will give you a little bit better than 50% off. It will be $5.99 for the full year, which is around 60% off. All right, now the next one is going to be Hulu. If you're a student, you can get Hulu for $1.99, which is like 75% off. Now, if you do want the Hulu and Disney Plus bundle, that's going to come out to $6.50, which is again about 50% off. We're seeing a theme here. And then the last one that I'm gonna go over is Apple TV plus Apple Music. If you're a student, you can get that for $6.99. And technically you're just getting Apple Music, which is a huge discount, and then they throw in Apple TV for free. I don't know why they do that, it's in the fine print. All right, now those are all of the best offers for streaming services as a student. So definitely take advantage of all of them. Check out the links in the description. And yeah, that is all I got for today's video. Let me know if you have any questions. Just hit me up in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace.